This guy, on the other hand, we're going to go ahead and break it down. First thing we're going to do is make some witness marks on it. That just makes it easier to put back together. Whew, there's a lot of debris inside that motor. Most important part of a centrifugal pump right there, that's a wear ring. Without this, the pump does not make any pressure. So what it does is when the pump starts, it pushes forward. It pushes against the suction flange. And that's actually, without that, the pump won't make any pressure. The water will just recirculate inside of it. So I get a good hold of the shaft on the rotor. It's broke loose, come right off. There's your impeller, there's your shaft seal. You got a piece of graphite. It runs up against a piece of ceramic. The two surfaces are so smooth that water can't pass between them, even though it's spinning at 3,450 RPMs. This is called a slinger. In the event that shaft seal leaks, this is designed to sling water away from the motor. And you got a single keeper here. You don't have to take the screw out, just loosen it. Turn it to the side. There you go. And belt came right off. So this motor is actually not in bad condition at all. Had a lot of debris inside of it, mud daubers, but the bearings actually aren't bad. But as long as we have it apart, we're gonna put new bearings in it.